Hello and thank you for watching this instructional video on the Bissell Big Green BG101DC ProCup commercial vacuum with dirt cup. We'll cover assembly, operation, and replacement belt installation for your commercial upright vacuum cleaner. Unpack your Bissell BG101DC. You should find the following: hardware pack, lower and upper handle, dirt cup assembly, power head with power cord and strain relief spring, extra belts and manual. Connect the lower handle with the wider end down to the base of the unit and hand tighten the screw and the nut. Slide the dirt cup onto the lower tube and connect the dirt cup funnel. Insert the tab into the slot on the base. Align the tab guide and connect by tightening the latch. Install the upper handle tube and hand tighten the screw. Locate the spring on the power cord and then locate the cord wrap. Hold the cord wrap with the tab facing up. Insert the raised area of the spring into the top groove of the cord hook. Snap into place. Attach the bag spring to the tab on the back of the cord hook. Tighten the screws with a screwdriver. Save the manual and the spare belts for later use. Your vacuum is now assembled and ready to use. To operate the vacuum, depress the foot pedal to release the handle and then step on the power switch. Begin with the vacuum on the highest setting and turn the wheel counterclockwise to lower the head. When you hear an audible change in pitch, you're at the right setting. To empty the dirt cup, lift the bag spring off of the cord wrap and open the two large plastic latches. Slide out the dirt cup, empty, and replace. Turn the machine upside down and locate the two latches. With your thumbs, push to the outside to release the bottom plate. Remove the roller. Discard the broken, worn out, or stretched belt. Make note of the short and the long hole corresponding to the belt channel on the roller. Slide the new belt over one end and set in the channel. Twist the belt counterclockwise and place around the pulley. Position the bearing edges wedge side down. Grasp both ends of the brush roller and pull forward, stretching the new belt, and slide the bearing edges into the slots on either side of the brush channel. Reinstall the base plate by aligning the two hinge tabs, and fold back and then close the latches to complete installation of your new belt.